My hands. Breathe. I'm gonna make this interesting. Ah, my hand. Ah!
One picture. Oh, this was like Peter Griffin with no legs. I mean, on
Going on. Sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, shit too much. Ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out. Going nuts. Going down.
Oh, what it do, Saucy Gang, man? 115, man. 115, man. Y'all probably wondering why I'm dressed up like this right now. That ain't the point right now. The point is, I live in Georgia. What's up? It's Friday. I should be in school right now, but why? Cause you know the state be complaining about the snow or whatever. They don't got that many salt trucks. So, you know, they let us out of school early. We got out at 11. I got home around like what? 12. Got to eating. You know, got home. Made a group chat with my friends. I said, yo, y'all read the title, y'all saw the thumbnail. We finna be snowballing our friends' houses, man. None more, none less. We might even do some more, have some snowball fights. I'm back, because I ain't been here in a while. Y'all know why. I'm a junior in high school. I got a lot of work. Semester almost over. Y'all don't got to worry about none of that no more, man. I'm finna get these videos cracking, you hear me? And I'm going back home in a couple weeks. So, yeah, I'm gonna have a week worth of vlogs for y'all, you know? So, you know, stay tuned, but I'm finna get it. My boy Keyshawn on his way right now. I'm getting Keyshawn. He just knocked at the door. He better not have no snow with him. Boy, you got snow? Yeah!
Yeah!
We finna get it. Hey,
I got the waterproof glove. Let me get some ranch. You thought I was playing.
them pizza rolls? I just had some. Hold up, y'all. It's crazy. We live in Georgia, bro. What's up?
We gonna surprise you with snowballs and shit.
Yeah, Keyshawn. Not Keyshawn. Deshaun, Amiri, Jesus. We gonna go get Jamark. Oh, man, you tripping. No, we're not gonna get Jamark. We going to get him so we can hit people with snowballs. And then we probably gonna have a... Hey, man, I'm slipping. Have a snowball fight. Yo, it feels just like up north. That's crazy. Georgia really did it for themselves. And I'm getting foot for the two. That's crazy. Let's get it. Oh, we might still have to take our finals and then we're gonna have to come back to school earlier because of this slush. It's black ice. I got the wrong shoes on. I don't got no grip on these shoes. What'd you say?
You know I got 100.
Y'all see my breath?
This shit happens so damn fast, bro.
Yeah, we got slush on the ground.
We was just in school.
Yeah, we just got out like an hour ago. Slush on the ground, look like up north.
20 minutes later, and I was like, hold up. When is
I gotta bleep that out, man.
What's the difference between sleet and hail?
Sleet, I don't think it's... Hail is harder. Like, hail is actually like a little ball of...
You can hear it hitting the ground.
Yeah. We ain't going to school for a little bit. No, I'll put two socks on. I'll put Hillian socks on and some Sky Zone socks on.
Footwork. Boom. I want to see that.
Bro, it's all in my shoe.
What you label? Yeah.
You never stayed in Kahlua. I put Chanel on my shoulder.
Flooded my chain and it Gucci. I don't want that girl, she moody. I'm basically saying I'm cooler. Get Dior discounts from my cougar. Back in the 6th grade, I got them bad grades. I was in love with my tutor.
I'm pulling the lead.
Get the footwork.
I'm pulling the field right now. I'm thinking about this.
Come back up. Ooh. Ooh. Smooth. Hey. Ooh. Kill it. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, stop it.
I'm pouring up lean, I'm throwing back pills, I'm deep in the field right now. I'm thinking about niggas I lost, I wish they could see how I live right now. I come from the bottom, I could've got shot up, thank God I'm here right now. I'm rocking red bottoms and you so beneath me, I know you can see them right now. It's just me and my niggas and...
Alright, stop it. I was chilling on the box with your boy Willie, and this is what I saw. It's back snowing again. See, it stopped. See, my phone died originally, and then I came back in to charge it, and then we was gonna come back out in an hour. Then it stopped snowing. I was like, no, that's probably rest for this video. And I didn't want it to be, because I wanted to get some clips for y'all. But I mean, it started snowing again, so it's a wrap. I'm finna get it. Thinking back on it, I made a whole video when I lived up north on what not to do in the snow. And right now I'm about to do everything that I told y'all not to do in the snow. I'm gonna play a little clip right now.
Now I'm gonna make about like 20, maybe 19 things not to do in the winter. Number 1, never, and I mean never, play kickball in the winter. You're gonna learn that the hard way. I didn't, but one of my friends did. Don't sing in the winter. They threw snow in my mouth. I was singing in the winter and they threw snow in my mouth. Threw snow in my mouth. Don't eat. Don't sleep. Don't anything in the winter. Just do what regular people do in the winter to survive in the winter.
So yeah, that was that. What I mean, oh, what's up? I mean, you know. And I was trying to talk to y'all little dog over there. I'm trying to hit me with the snow. I got to running, snowing and everything. Jamari and them over there, they finna try to hit me with some snow like I'm stupid or something. Probably standing in front of one. Amiri, I see the snow in your hand, dog. They really think I'm dumb. Snowflakes all on my phone, falling out the sky. It's crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put y'all down real quick. You missed. Man, I'm from Wisconsin, you heard me? I does this. Does this. Thought that was gonna hit me. Oh. It's getting cold. I'm finna give me a big one. This wraps. Give me a big one. Ah, my hands. My hands. I'm finna make this interesting.
Ah, my hand.
Come on, Jamari. All right, so look, Amiri just went in to get his sister gloves. Me and Amari finna, I said Amari, that's my name. Me and Jamari finna wet his block up. We finna wet his block up. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. So I creep, yeah, just creeping on the down low. Sing Lil Uzi later. Oh, he won't answer. Let me not get his door number in there. I'm gonna get on this side. I'm on this side. My hands are freezing. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Yeah.
One picture. Oh, this was like Peter Griffin with no legs. I mean, on
Got it! Yeah! Better watch your mouth when you talking to me, you heard? He thought he was finna get us, didn't he? Yeah. He thought he was finna get us. You thought you was finna get him, Mary? You thought it was a game.
That was a game.
We went all the way down there. What a waste.
right there, I bet I want this.
All right.
Stay right there. All right. You trying to hit me? Oh, that was a close one. All right, let me stay right there then. Ouch. Ooh. Gotta be quicker than that. Oh. Got him. Woo! Jamar, come on. Go up. Bus cuts. We gonna go up. We gonna go down this way. Dang, this dark is a mug up here. Amiri! We run this. Come on, let's go. Come on. He do? I mean, he not gonna get that up here. It's dark down there. Man, you ain't gonna make that up here. You ain't gonna make that up here. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh. I think we need to get down there. We need to kill him. We need to get him. Yeah. You ready? Which staircase you wanna go to? Which staircase you wanna
Let
go
it be one of them times I hit the phone.
No, you ain't gonna hit Saucy Gang. It's raps for that. It's a rap. It's a rap for Saucy Gang. You ain't hit Saucy Gang, you heard me? I got y'all. He ain't finna hit y'all. It's raps. You got another one. Ooh.
Oh, he does some beans.
Hey, Jamari. You can see my breath. That's crazy. No, I'm blowing my breath. Oh, that was a close one. I'm over here distracted. Hey.
Don't judge my skills.
Hey.
Goofy head ass.
You know what? Stay right there, Jamari. I'm gonna sneak around and flank for Saucy again. Cause you know I F with y'all. Man, I had no fun like this in a minute. I miss the north sometimes. Ooh. Raps. Somebody peed in the snow. Ain't that about a... I almost fell. Yo, I'm slipping right now. Snap, bro. It really look like we up north right now. I'm finna sneak around. You ready? Y'all tried to sneak around. It ain't work out too good. My camera all messed up. Alright, Amir, you got it. I thought we... He getting closer. He getting closer on purpose. Chill out, man. I know y'all plotting. Huh? You said get Keyshawn. Damn, my breath is hot. Kicking. Super hot fire. Oh, man. I was trying to sneak around to get him married, but he caught me and my phone ran out of storage right then and there. Want to jump me? You turned on me. Oh, you MFs. I'm putting cases on all you. Jeez.